Hello, Kalmar! My first ever beach adventure in Kalmar city. That is also part of the Kalmar region. And I am out for SWECATION, as we say in Sweden. So Sweden vacation. And here I've left Stockholm and I'm gonna be exploring Kalmar and Öland in the upcoming 11 days. So I'm so happy that I'm finally going to visit Öland, the second largest island in Sweden after Gotland, but also Kalmar, the city that is the capital of the Kalmar region. And it looks very nice, and the architecture is quite interesting. I'm staying at a hotel that's very close by to this beach, and this beach here is called Vågbrytarbadet, which means the wave crusher beach that you can see right here. It is a jetty, actually. There it is, Vågbrytarbadet, and it is maintained by the Kalmar municipality. And this over here I can see also it's an industrial area as well. And the ferry also to Öland goes from here, somewhere here I believe. And we can see the bridge that connects mainland of Sweden, I mean Kalmar, with Öland, that I'm going to visit in 2 days. But first I'm exploring Kalmar, and it is 19th of June today. It is now almost 6 p.m. It took me 6 hours and 15 minutes to get to Kalmar from Stockholm with Flixbus. There were stops along the way, obviously. If you go by car, it can take you less than 5 hours, I believe so, without the stops. But yeah, it was nice. And we have 20 degrees Celsius in the air right now. It's windy. In the sea, the Baltic Sea, I already measured, it is 17 degrees Celsius. And I am all alone on the beach. And this beach has quite nice view over the Öland's bridge as well. And I see there's also a sign that says Kalmar, which I'm gonna see if I can catch it from the sea. So yeah, let's go. First beach adventure in Kalmar at Vågbrytarbadet. Let's go. Right, here we have the entrance to the sea, and there is a sign that says Varning, Grundvatten, which means that is shallow. I already measured the temperature, and 17 degrees it says indeed. And yeah, all right, then time to get going. I can see through the water, it is so clean. I can see the bottom, it is sandy, as you can see, and it's also quite scenic as well. Yeah, it is my first time in Kalmar also. I have never been to this city. It's a city of population of around 35,000, so it's not that big, but it's the capital of the region, Kalmar region. The water is quite okay, I would say. And there we can see also the Kalmar sign. If I can go a bit forward to show that to you. But yeah, I'm just waiting also for the sun to make appearance once again soon, so I can dive into the water. Here we have mostly sand, there are a few stones here and there. The sea is almost calm today, despite the wind. It's actually blowing now from the land towards the sea, towards the island of Öland, the second biggest island. You can see also the bridge in the distance, and there are also some interesting ships that you have seen at the beginning of the video. I'm still walking, it is still shallow, and there you can see the sign Kalmar. Beautiful, beautiful indeed. Alright, then it is time for me to take the first swim ever in Kalmar, here on this beach called Vågbrytarbadet. So let's go! Oh my god, the sea is amazing. It is salty and quite cool compared to the one I'm used to in Stockholm. Here it is, the saltiness of the Baltic Sea. It's more visible and more. It feels like you're on the sea, which is quite nice. And the sun makes this appearance again, which is awesome. So yeah, cool. Then that's a wrap from this first beach adventure from Kalmar at this beach in Vågbrytarbadet. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!